Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best split CV boot is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components in your vehicle's drivetrain. Ensuring its integrity is vital for maintaining optimal performance and longevity. A damaged CV boot can lead to costly repairs, so choosing the right replacement is crucial. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect split CV boot for your needs, considering factors like material durability, ease of installation, and overall value for money. We'll explore various options and help you make an informed decision to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Number 5. FB3000 Universal CV Boot. Say goodbye to costly axle replacements. This innovative boot makes repairing your CV joints quick and easy. It's designed to fit shaft sizes from 19mm to 24mm, ensuring compatibility with various vehicles. Install it using a pneumatic installer, installation cone, or the traditional method. It's highly flexible and durable for easy installation. This boot allows you to replace only the worn-out component, saving you time and money compared to a full axle replacement. It's perfect for preventative maintenance, keeping your vehicle in top condition and extending its lifespan. Made from a specially formulated, highly flexible, and durable material, it ensures long-lasting performance. What we like. It's designed for smaller shafts and offers an easy installation process, saving you time and money. If you're working on a vehicle with a smaller shaft and want a quick, affordable fix, this is a great option. It's perfect for DIYers on a budget who value convenience. What people say. Very easy installation with expanding tool. Very flexible material. Made in Taiwan. I read a lot of reviews on this. I was able to install without any issues outside the learning curve of using the stretching funnel cone. The CV boot cone I used made it more difficult, but it held up nicely to stretch over the axle. I believe it would fit on some of the bigger trucks if needed. It fit my smaller 2006 Subaru Impreza that needed one due to fence collision and being ignored for an extended amount of time. They give you everything you need in the box: clamps, CV grease, the boot, and the only other thing you need is the clamp pliers. So it was a very good price for less than $30 if you're doing it yourself. Number 4. FB3001 Universal CV Boot. This boot is designed for vehicles with large drive shafts. It's a complete kit, including everything you need for easy installation. It comes with clamps and grease, so you have everything you need to get the job done right. No need to source additional parts. It's perfect for a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile option for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. This boot is designed for convenient installation. You can install it without removing the axle from your vehicle, saving you valuable time and effort. Please be aware that international products may have different labeling or instructions. All relevant details are included with your purchase. Order your FB3001 Universal CV Boot now and experience a superior repair solution. Protect your vehicle's drivetrain with ease. What we like. This one is perfect for larger shafts and comes with everything you need, including clamps and grease. If you need a comprehensive solution for larger vehicles and appreciate the convenience of a complete kit, this is the right choice. It simplifies the repair process and ensures you have all the necessary components. What people say. Great price and fit perfect. I disassembled the CV joint to install, no special tools required. Comes with inner and outer boot clamps that can be cinched with needle nose pliers. This boot worked perfectly to replace the original torn boot. The bands were also easy to install. Perfect fit on my 2011 Avalanche, but recommend an installed tool like to make life easy. Clamps included, just need a pinch tool to tighten them. Number 3. Dorman 614-001 CV Boot Kit. This kit is a direct replacement for worn-out CV joint boots. It's designed for easy repair without removing the entire joint, saving you time and effort. It's a reliable replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. This kit includes all the necessary parts for a complete repair. Made from durable neoprene, it's built to last. This ensures reliable performance and a long service life, giving you peace of mind. This kit makes repairing your CV joint simple and straightforward. It's the ideal solution for restoring your vehicle's performance. Dorman's commitment to quality is evident in this kit. It's backed by a team of experts and over a century of automotive experience. To confirm compatibility, simply enter your vehicle's details using our online tool. This ensures you get the right part for your car. What we like. It's a direct replacement for worn-out boots, made from durable neoprene. If you value a reliable, high-quality solution from a trusted brand with a long history in automotive parts, this is an excellent option. It ensures a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. What people say. Was hoping this was a quick boot that is split in half and you just lock together and glue, but it was a solid boot, easy install once you cut old boot off and remove metal ties, slide boot on shaft end and up and over the housing, no boot cone needed for Jeep Grand Cherokee 96 to 98. Fit great. Bought this for a Windstar that had a ruptured boot. The old one came right off and this particular model is designed to fit on various sized CV joints. You simply cut the part that's larger off. Installation was easy enough. Used on 2006 Corolla axle outer. Fits good. Checked after a few miles. Checks okay. Number 2. Dorman 614-002 CV Boot Kit. This kit provides everything you need to repair your vehicle's CV joint without the hassle of removing the entire joint. It's a simple and effective solution for a common problem. It's designed as a direct replacement, ensuring a seamless fit and reliable performance. Say goodbye to worn-out boots and hello to smooth driving. Made from high-quality silicone, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily driving. Expect long-lasting performance and peace of mind. This kit makes repairs simple and straightforward. You'll get the job done quickly and efficiently, saving you time and money. With over a century of automotive experience, Dorman provides reliable parts you can depend on. It's backed by a team of experts, ensuring quality and performance. Use our online tool to verify compatibility with your specific make, model, and trim level. This ensures you get the right part for your car. What we like. This kit offers a direct replacement solution with the benefit of durable silicone material. If you need a reliable replacement for worn-out boots and prioritize a long-lasting, high-quality solution from a reputable brand, this is a great choice. It's built to withstand wear and tear. What people say. Don't have to worry about rubber and plastic boots cracking when using silicone boots. This one worked fine, and I'll use it on the other side when its replacement butyl rubber boot fails again. Fits as it should. Seems like good strong rubber silicone boot material. Number 1. FB3001K CV Boot Kit. This kit is designed for cars and SUVs with 24mm and larger shafts. It's a cost-effective solution to repair damaged CV joints, saving you time and money compared to replacing the entire axle. With this kit, you can replace worn-out boots without removing the axle. It simplifies the repair process, making it easier for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's perfect for preventative maintenance, helping to keep your vehicle in optimal condition. This ensures your vehicle remains in its original equipment manufacturer, OEM, state. The boot is made from a specially formulated, highly flexible, and durable material. This ensures a long-lasting repair, even under demanding conditions. It can be installed using a pneumatic CV boot installer, an installation cone, or the traditional method. Choose the method that best suits your tools and experience. Repair your CV joints quickly and affordably. It's a smart investment for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. What we like. It's designed for larger shafts and is built to last, with an easy installation process. If you have a larger vehicle and want a durable, easy-to-install solution, this is the one for you. It combines strength and convenience for a long-lasting repair. What people say. I have installed many CV boots from a lot of other suppliers over 30 years as a mechanic. This one was the easiest and fastest. I will purchase more only from them. Arrived just as described. Installation was as expected. Boots seem to be sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.